this compared to this Rainbocorn. Thank you, ZURU, for sending me this Rainbocorn for free. This one has a rainbow sequin, heart, and a bow. And this is why they call it Big Bow Surprise, because the bow is huge. Look at the back. There's 25 surprises to collect. This is the most exciting Rainbocorn ever. Let's see what the sequin surprise is. Oh, and the hamburger. Karate chop. I knew that we were going to get the llama. This one's my favorite llama. Oh, I love you. Look at the rainbow heart. It has rainbow hooves, and it has rainbow hair, and a rainbow horn. I love you. Ooh, and look at its big purple sparkly eyes. It's so fluffy and huggable. And look at its sweet little fluffy wings. Before we do all the blind bags, I have a little surprise that's on the outside of the egg. Do you want to see me wear it? Isn't the bow cute? Hi.
Oh. Koa, you wanted to have a big bow too?
There's so many blind bags. Koa, I need help. Will you help me? Okay. Ah! Whoa, look at the eggs. What do you want to open first? Here. Koa has a collector's guide. Let's see what I got. A furry slap bracelet. Oh, I love it. Cool, this is how this works. It's another bow. It's such a pretty rainbow with these golden stars. And it matches my dress. I think in stickers. Oh, and this. Wow, those are some shiny stickers. Okay, let's open this. The gems on the front are so cute, and you can even make a diamond with it. I got a puppy.
So cute, Koa.
Look, I got a unicorn, and I got a pair of wings to put in. So pretty. I have a heart diamond ring now, and I also got this hair clip. Whoa, look at this. You just take the stickers off, and then put it on the paper, and then you put the glitter on. Pencil. Koa got glitter pens. Ooh, they look so pretty and shiny. Let's try them at the end of the video. It's the biggest surprise ever. Let me open it. How do I look, Koa? Stylish? Ooh, I got a bracelet. Ta-da! I think we got all the blind bags. Now one more mini egg to open. Whoa, let's see what's inside. You can put the wings on the ring. Ta-da! With all these art supplies, I think we should try them out. Cool, let's get this started.
Koa, you're doing it. Is that fun?
Yay! Yay, I love this. I'm making Cool, let's do it. I'm making ice cream, see? What's that cream?
Ice cream.
I'm making a heart that's smiling. That's my name, but I ran out of space. Ah! Let me show you how to use these stickers. And that's where we're gonna put our glitter. Whoa, and super glittery. Hey, don't mess up my painting, mate. Okay. Cool, do you want some sprinkles on your glue? Now all we have to do is blow the glitter off. This is so much fun, Christopher friends. And we have one more thing to do. Put our heart on our Rainbocorn. Oh look, the Rainbocorn's coming to see our art. Hi, Rainbocorn. Wow, this big bow surprise was amazing. Thank you, ZURU, for sending this for free. And please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Bye! one do you like better? My art or Koa's art? This side's mine, this side's Koa's. Let us know in the comments. Bye!